Hello, solution of question number 5. Calculate range, coefficient of range, quarter deviation, coefficient of quarter deviation by using these numbers. Continuous series now. Continuous series are group data, right? So continuous series are group data. Question is like this: 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 3 to 1, 5, 4. So these are the frequencies, right? Now you need to find that range, coefficient of range, right? So for quarter deviation, that quarter deviation is Q3 and Q1 we need, right? For Q3 and Q1 purpose we need the CF. It is just like a median calculation type. So you need to find first CF 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 15, 9, 10, then n equal to 15. Now you need to start with the one by one calculation. Which one? First we need to find the range. What is the range? Range equal to h minus s. What is h minus s? H is highest in the variable. In this variable, highest and lowest. Lowest means 0. 0 is the smallest. 25 is the highest. So 25h, 0 is the smallest. So 25 minus 0, 25. Coefficient of range, h minus s divided by h plus s. Then how to find h minus s and h plus s? Like this: 25 minus 0 divided by 25 plus 0. Highest is 25, smallest 0. Highest 25, smallest 0. So 25 minus 0 is 25 divided by 25 equal to 1. So this is all about question number range and coefficient of range. Now we need to find the quarter deviation and coefficient of quarter deviation, right? So for quarter deviation what we need? We need the Q3 and Q1. So first I will solve here Q3. So first Q3 means you need to find the Q3 class, like a median. You need to find Q3 class. How to find the Q3 class? 3 into n divided by 4. Remember, in case of median what you did? 2 divided by n. Now it is a 3 quarter deviation. Third quarter deviation. So Q3 means 3 into n by 4. Why it is 4? Quarter means 4. So 3 into n is how much here? 15 divided by 4. So you find now 15, right? Answer is 15 into 3, 45 divided by 4. So answer comes 11.25. So 11.25. Q3 equal to L plus n divided by, this was not only n divided by 2, it was 3 into n divided by 4. Remember, 3 into n by 4, same formula. 3 into n by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. It is exactly the formula like a median. Only change is n by 2 in median. Now it is 3 into n by 4. Remaining is same. Now identify 11.25 where it comes. The CF. If you see the CF, 11 is more than 11. The value comes in the 15. So this area belongs to which one? Q3 area. Why this one will taken? 11.25 is the here. More than 11 is here. More than 11 to 15 comes here. So value is lies in this class. So what is L here now? L is 20. Plus what is the 3 into n by 4? 3 into n by 4 already computed here. 11.25 minus preceding CF. Cumulative frequency preceding to Q3 class 11 divided by simple frequency how much here? 4 into I is 5. How much I? 20 and 25 difference is 5. You take the 5 here. So 20 plus 11.25 minus 11.25 divided by 4 into 5. You simplify this one, so we will get the answer. The answer is like this: 0.25 into 5 divided by 4. The value comes 0.3125. So answer is 20.0125. So answer is 3125, not 01. It was 3125. So answer is 20.31. So 20.31 is the, I will take only two places here. So 20.31 is the Q3. Now you find the Q1 now, right? So Q3 is over now. We need to find the Q1. How to find the Q1? So I will show you. So Q1 now. Q1 class first you have to find. First you have to find Q1. For Q1 class required. Q1 class equal to only n divided by 4. Not like here 3 into n. It is only Q1 means 1 into n by 4 or simple n by 4. So n is 15 divided by 4. What is n here in the question? N is 15. So 15 divided by 4 you have to find. 15 divided by 4. The answer comes 3.75. 3.75. Check the 3.75. 3 is over here. More than 3 to 5. So value comes here. So this area belongs to Q1 area. This area belongs to 5. 3.7 means more than 3 to 5 comes here. So 5 to 10. The answer is Q1 equal to L plus N divided by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. What is L? 5 plus N by 4 3.75 minus preceding CF, see how much? 3 divided by simple frequency is 2 and width is how much? This was 3. Width is 5. 5 is 5 is into 10. 5 is there. You simplify this one. 5 plus 3.75 minus 3. That is 0.75 divided by 2 into 5. You simplify this one. The 0.75 into 5 divided by 2. So answer comes So answer comes 1.875. 5 plus 1.875. So net answer is 6.875. So this was your Q1, right? So I will take here 88 round 2 places. So Q1 is 6.88 and this one is how much? 20.31. Now you start the solution of quartile deviation and interquartile deviation. So I will show you now quartile deviation and interquartile deviation here now. First we will do the quartile deviation. Formula is like this. Quartile deviation equal to formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. What is Q3 here? Q3 is 20.31. 20.31 minus what is Q1? 6.88 divided by 2. You simplify this one. So answer is 20.31 minus 6.88 divided by 2. So we will get I will show once again. The answer is like this. 20.31 minus 6.88 divided by 2. So answer is 6.715. Then you do the coefficient of quartile deviation. Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So 20.31 is Q1. So Q3. This one minus Q1 is how much? 6.88 divided by 20.31 is Q1 plus 6.88 Q2. So Q1. You simplify this one now, you will get the answer. So I will show now. 20.31 minus 6.88 is 13.43. 13.43. Then add now 20.31, which number? 20.31 plus 6.88, that is 27.19. Now divide that number to this number. So 13.43 divided by 27.19. The answer is 0.49. 0.49. So the 0.49 is the value of coefficient of quartile deviation. Clear? So quartile deviation is here. Coefficient of quartile deviation here. This question is based on your which case? In case of continuous series, remember continuous series, range, then coefficient of range, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation, right? So I will assign you the question for you. Which one? Question number 6. Question number 6. This question number 6 is assignment for you all. That you have to solve and send the copy to me. The question is like this: calculate range, coefficient of range, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. The question is like this: x 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and frequency 4, 8, 6, 3, 2, 1. This was question number 6. Right? You solve this question and send the answer to me. This was the one question that I am assigning you all. So question number 6. This is an assignment for you all. You solve this question. Range, coefficient of range, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. Thank you. Question number 6. This question number 6 is assignment for you all. That you have to solve and send the copy to me. The question is like this: calculate range, coefficient of range, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. The question is like this: x 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and frequency 4, 8, 6, 3, 2, 1. This was question number 6. Right? You solve this question and send the answer to me. This was the one question that I am assigning you all. So question number 6. This is an assignment for you all. You solve this question. Range, coefficient of range, quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. Thank you.